Today we are asked to divide and simplify. To divide radicals, you divide your coefficients on the outside, and if it's the same index radical, you can divide what's on the inside. So for number 1, we can actually divide 20 divided by 4. Well, that's going to give us 5, and then I can make this one giant radical with the division inside. So 270 divided by 3 is going to be 90. Then we can break down 90. So 90 we get 9 and 10, 3 and 3, 5 and 2. So we're looking for pairs, so I have a pair of 3's, and then the 5 and the 2 stay inside. So on the outside we will have 5 times 3 square root of 5 times 2. So 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 2 is 10. That simplifies to 15 square root of 10. We do the same thing with number 2, except now we're taking a cube root and we have variables. So I can rewrite this. I don't have any coefficients on the outside to divide, so I can just make this one big division on the inside of my cube root. And then I can divide. Well, a to the 10th divided by a to the 5th, if I have 10 on top, 5 on the bottom, I will have 5 left over on top. 16, or b to the 16th divided by b to the 4th, 16 on top, 4 on the bottom, I will have 12 left over on top. Then I can actually simplify my radical. Okay, so if it's a cube root, we're looking for groups of 3. So if I have a to the 5th, I have 5 a's, I have one group of 3, and then 2 are staying on the inside. B to the 12th, I have 12 b's, how many groups of 3? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, and no leftovers. So on the outside of my radical, I have one group of 3, so of the a's. So I have a to the 1st. I have 4 groups of b's. And then on the inside, I have a squared.